Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Peter and welcome in another sound design session. Today we're gonna be learning how to use form and how amazing it is for bass and other sound design. So this is the example of the sound that you can make with form. Sorry, not this one, this. Yeah, these sounds are really cool. If you've listened to my song Mechanized, is this how you pronounce it, I guess? The full drop and a lot of things, there's just form. I can even show you because this is in my free sample pack. It is inside Outer Space EP. For example, this one. Or this. Really heavy, really amazing sounds. What you need is basically a reactor, because this is a reactor based instrument. So you need to download a Reactor 6, and this is a demo version which is completely enough for some sound design sessions. It gives you 30 minutes until it quits, maybe. I've never reached 30 minutes, so it's completely good. And if you load the form, it's also a demo version and you also have 30 minutes, which is completely fine. So what it does, I don't know, but it's really cool. It is sort of like a stretching, looping engine that you can combine with some oscillators, with some formant shifting. It also has a pitch tracking function and some modulation thing. You can also FM, as you can see, and some other things. I don't know, I've never used them and I am not planning yet. So, okay, so what you do is just go reset sound. And you get this. We're not gonna be using this sound, but we are gonna be using our own sounds. What I really like to put inside is someone's tracks. So for example, it has to be wave file. Okay, we have some Flume songs that are in wave. So we can definitely put something here, maybe 71 M3, really cool. And now we need to narrow to the specific region. I usually choose around like 10 seconds. So now you just play it back, but it's not looping. So if you go to this section, you can start looping this. I like to go like turn on looping, like back and forth. And then set the BPM like half or like 1/4. And I usually go -12. And then you just shift through this sound and you basically find some cool accidents, cool transitions. You can create an audio track and turn on resampling, and basically you just start recording this. Yeah, let's try a different song. I'm looking for drums. Oh. Let's try this. Yeah, so yeah, okay, let's try the last one. Ooh, that's a sound. Yeah, so once you're done, you can basically start chopping this and saving them into your library, basically. Oh yeah, this is really heavy. It is really spicy. So what I usually do is as I said, I chop them. I do a little bit of post-processing, but usually in the actual project. I don't process them right now because I want to have a dry signal, and then I want to process them while working in the project on a song. So let's see if some distortion will do some. Yeah, distortion definitely. Some OTT maybe, if you want you can put an auto pen on this. And a cool trick is that if you chop something, for example, you have this thing, you just Command E and you cut this, and you have another one, and you want to just export them, but you know, you have like 100 sounds in one project and you want to export them all. It's gonna take a lot of time. What you can do instead is just, you can consolidate it. As you can see, there's nothing else than the sound. And if you go to the left side here and you click Current Project, Samples, Processed and Consolidate, you have these samples right here. You don't need to export them, you don't need to name them, you already have them. If you want to name them, and if you use Mac, you highlight a lot of files and you right click on them and you just rename all of them. You can rename them to like something, you know, like form something, and at the end you can add numbers increasing, and it'll do automatically for you. So that's that's really easy, quick fix. That's it, that's the whole thing. So I hope you enjoyed. If you did enjoy, you can sidechain and subscribe button. Also leave a comment if you have any question, or just leave a comment if you have something to say. See you in the next one.